All right, so here's hospital information. Suppose emergency room waiting times for our local hospital have a bell-shaped distribution. This text here, bell-shaped distribution, is telling us that we can use all of this information we've been learning about these distributions and the percentage of data in each area, but it has to be bell-shaped, or we have to know it has a normal distribution to be able to use these things we've been doing. The data have a reported mean of 116.9 minutes and a standard deviation of 56.1 minutes. Okay, then that sounds like it's some population data. Identify the range of waiting times that 95% of the patients are likely to experience. So if we're trying to find the range, we really need to know for our bell-shaped normal distribution, our mean is 116.9, and we really need to know what's out here. Where do we have to go for 95% of our data? First, we want to find that. 95%. So we were looking for 95% of our data. It says 95% of our data will lie within 2 standard deviations above and below the mean. So we want to go 2 standard deviations from the mean. We can use our diagram to help us there. So we know we need to know 2 standard deviations above and 2 below. And if we know our standard deviation, which we do, we can figure this out. 116.9 plus 56.1, we get 173 here, and add another, and we get 229.1, and then if we subtract to go the other direction, 56.1, we get 60.8, and then minus 56.1, we get 4.7. So we know for number 1, 95% of patients wait between 4.7 and 229.1 minutes. Note that we could have also found this by knowing that we wanted to do mu plus or minus 2 sigma, and that would be 116.9 plus or minus 2 times sigma, which is 56.1. So it's going to be 116.9 plus or minus 112.2. And then we would do 116.9 minus 112.2 and 116.9 plus 112.2. Put it into parentheses just for Mrs. Brown. And then 116.9 minus 112.2. There's our 4.7. And 116.9 plus 112.2. And there's our 229.1. And so that's the same interval using the formula instead of using our distribution. I really like you to be able to do this though, so you could double check using this method if you like.